Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we blend the best of wellness with a splash of fun. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for the best blenders of 2024, perfect for powering up your smoothies, soups, and healthy snacks. Whether you're a pro chef or just starting your journey to a healthier lifestyle, we've got something for you. Ready to blend it like a pro? Let's get started. First up, if you're serious about your blending game and want nothing but the best, meet the Vitamix A3500. This blender is a total game changer with its pro-level performance. It's got a powerful motor, multiple pre-programmed settings, and smart blending technology to make sure every smoothie, soup, or nut butter is perfectly blended. Plus, its sleek design and easy-to-use touchscreen make it a joy to operate. Want to get your hands on this beauty? Check the link in the description below. Next, we have the Breville/Sage the Super Q, our top pick for premium blenders. This one is all about high performance with an extra touch of luxury. It offers exceptional blending power, a quiet operation, and a super sleek design. It's perfect for those who want to elevate their blending experience and don't mind investing in top-notch quality. Curious about this premium pick? The link is right down there in the description. For those who need a medium jug blender that can handle everyday tasks with ease, check out the Breville/Sage Fresh and Furious. This versatile blender combines power with practicality, featuring a robust motor and a user-friendly design. It's ideal for making large batches of your favorite recipes, from smoothies to sauces. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Hit the link in the description to learn more. On the go and need a personal blender that fits your busy lifestyle? The Nutribullet Flip is your new best friend. It's compact, powerful, and features a flip-top lid that's perfect for sipping on the move. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie or protein shake, this blender is designed for convenience and efficiency. Want to blend on the go? Check out the link below. Craving icy drinks and frozen treats? The Smeg Professional Blender is built to crush ice like a champ. With its durable blades and high-power motor, you can easily make frozen cocktails, icy smoothies, and more. It's a must-have for those who love a cool, refreshing blend. Interested in this icy wonder? The link is in the description. And now, for those who want great performance without breaking the bank, meet the KitchenAid K150 blender. This budget-friendly blender doesn't skimp on quality. It offers solid blending power, a sturdy build, and an easy-to-clean design. It's perfect for everyday use without stretching your wallet. Want to get a great deal? The link is in the description. Last but definitely not least, our top pick for the best overall blender is the Braun Tri-Force/Power Blend 9. This blender combines power, versatility, and durability in one sleek package. With advanced blending technology and a range of useful features, it's ideal for anyone looking to make everything from silky smoothies to hearty soups. Ready to take your blending to the next level? Check out the link below. And there you have it, folks. The best blenders of 2024 to help you blend your way to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, keep blending and stay healthy.